Hi, it's David Gomm in the stained glass studio down by my computer, and today I'm going to show you some of the fun things that you can go for and and explore online and have a lot of fun. This will enhance your stained glass experience. So let's go right to it. I guess the first thing we can do is go to gsg-art.com, and that will take you to our website, which is what I've created to help people out. Now, you want to go to gsg-art.com. That takes you to the first page. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you about is the on the resources tab here. You go down to videos and just click on it once, and this takes you to a video page that shows you some of our video links. But here's the important part. Down here I have provided a listing of all of the names of the videos that we have put out. And you'll see now over here in blue there is a URL that you can just click on. That'll take you right to those videos. And the last one I put up was number 296. This is the video that we just published. And you can click on the link. It'll take you straight to the video. And I'll skip the ad. And there, hey, look at that handsome fellow. Okay. So anyhow, that is a feature that I think is very helpful. You can't really search the results. You'll have to, read the titles and look for the subjects that you're looking for. But this will help you to navigate through all of the videos that we've produced. We're almost up to 300, so that's something that might be of great interest to you. Now, the next thing that I want to introduce you to is over here on the, let's see, I think it's the About Us button. About Us and Contacts. Now, this kind of shows you a little bit about us and it's just if you want to learn more. But over here is the links page, and if you click on the links, it takes you to both art and artists we love, and also people and sites who help us. And if you go down here on the left hand side, here is Anaraku stained glass. If you click on that, that takes you to the anaraku.com locator. This is the shop locator. And this will help you to be able to find shops. Now, I've got it set here to where you go, this is the United States, and you find your own state. Let's see, if you click on Utah, what do you get? Well, you find several different stained glass studios that are listed. And this is the most important one right here, Gomm Stained Glass. Anyhow, this is really a handy locator. And I believe they have, they do have some in different countries as well. And so this is a good resource. It's good for you, and it could be good for your clients. I send people here to the Anaraku Glass Studio all the time. Also, if you click on their shop, they have a number of things that they sell. Anaraku is very good at marketing, and they're very good at developing new products. They're the ones that sell the twofer grinder bits. So, and they also produce jewelry findings that we just love. And so that's something that might be of great interest to you and your clients. Now then, okay, and before leaving the About Us page, you want to make sure and go over to the right-hand side where you'll find this paragraph about the Harbor Freight tools, and you click on the picture of the saw, and there you find the Mighty Mite saw. Right now, the Mighty Mite saw is $37.99. The price fluctuates all the time. Now, one of the things that I know about this is that they don't usually have them in store. You'll want to go to the site and order one online, and then you'll be able to get it. Now, you'll still need a separate blade, but we'll talk a little bit more about that when we talk about the Amazon. If you click on Etsy, that'll take you to a button that will take you to some of the listings that we have on Etsy, and then down a little lower you click here, and that'll take you to the rest of our Etsy listings. These are patterns that we sell, and you know, there's some patterns like this one right here. This is a little tiny one, and we sell it for $1. The reason we sell it for $1 instead of giving it away free is that we have to pay for the link on Etsy, and so that just helps us to maintain it. But anyhow, it's not all about money. We're just trying to share the joy of stained glass, and if you see a pattern, then you can just go ahead and print it off, and so that will be one of the things that you may be very interested in. There is an Amazon shop button. There are 5 different pages that this will take you to. There's one about books. Many of them are the ones that we sell ourselves. Then there's the videos that we've produced. They come in either a DVD, or there are some of them that are online. You can download right away. These are the miscellaneous products that we use. This is just a help so that you can get to these products. We do get some kind of a commission. I don't even know what it is, but it's helpful to have those. Video and audio, these are just for tools that you might find useful. And then the last thing here, the stained glass supplies. If you happen to get a saw from Harbor Freight and you need a blade, that's listed right here. If you click on this, click on the Buy Now button, it takes you right over to it. You get the same price that it would have cost ordering it from Amazon. It's not like you have to pay more, but we do get a little bit of a commission. Anyhow, that's what I wanted to show you there. I could go on and on, I guess. There is also the button for Patreon. If you click on Patreon, it takes you to this first page, and it encourages you to become an official Patreon member. Most of the videos that we put up on Patreon, anyone can see. There are some that are special, and we only give them to the $3, $5, or $9 levels. But we're more about trying to build a community than we are to try and raise money. Although money from the Patreon does help us to fund some of our projects, like the Mosaic project at the Covey Center. So you can find that. There are other pages that are fun and enjoyable. We've tried to make the website just easy to get around, inspirational. It'll be something that's fun to explore. This has been David in the Stained Glass Studio, and I hope you'll try it. Go to it. It's not something that makes us money. You know, it encourages you to be inspired. All right. See you next time.